Guys, I want to check this out right here. It's a rice cooker, and it's only $109 per. And you could actually use this for using or cook your meats and stuff, beef. The other one you want to do it, you could make corned beef with this one and saute and everything. This is well timed for your rice, so you could just go ahead and put your rice in and just close it, sit back, relax, and enjoy your day. And I would like to recommend you for this because I would buy this. It's such a nice product, coming from this one right here. So I should recommend this for you. It's only $109. So you have some selections right here too. So go ahead and just click it and just go ahead and buy it. I wanna put the links down below so you can check it out. All right.